All right, hello everybody. Just a quick lesson to show you around chapter 2. So if we head on into chapter 2 here, we start off with circular functions. So this is one of those videos that sort of isn't directly like a lesson out of the book, but it gives you a way to start thinking about trigonometric functions, because it's kind of weird. A lot of times we're going to deal with trig in terms of triangles, but also trig is very related to circles. So being able to see these kind of relationships, these periodic relationships, these patterns is really helpful. So that's what this video is about, right? So this one's not necessarily about being able to solve a certain type of problem. It's giving you some insight into understanding the nature of these, what we call circular functions in some perspectives. So basically you're going to watch the video, then you're going to talk about it. Okay, then we've got a video lesson here, kind of talking about SOHCAHTOA, right? So read the directions. You're going to create some notes. You're going to upload them. You're going to go from there. Then we have a trig lesson that I put together. So this is just me going over some basic problems, kind of some of the main problems that you're going to run across on the homework. And I show you some examples out of the book, just making sense of it. So again, you'll take notes, sort of pay attention to how you do these problems. Because like I say, I'm specifically like doing problems out of the book that are just like homework problems that you're going to be doing. So I just want to make sure you get, they're not super hard problems, but they're ones that if you don't get it can be very confusing. Once you get it, you're going to go, oh, this is actually not very difficult, but you kind of have to see those connections first. So I go over some problems there. So take some notes and upload those, turn those in. Then we have about vectors geometrically. So the last section of this book, of this chapter, is not very difficult, but again, it's weird. There's weird notation. It's concepts you haven't really dealt with. So this video is one of those ones where you're probably not going to understand everything he says in here. That's okay. If you walk away with 40, 50, 60% of what he says, that's a great start. Okay, so you're going to watch the video, you're going to respond to it. So then you're going to make sure you do the homework. Then you've got your question and answer form. And as always, go then to the XYZ homework and do all the homework assignments for this chapter. And if you need any kind of help, get a hold of me, right? Some of the information that you need in chapter 2, you will have learned in chapter 1, right? It was in some of those videos. So that's why there's a few less videos in this chapter, because you've already seen some of the videos that are relevant to what we're doing in this chapter. So if you need any help, please get a hold of me through Canvas messaging. All right, thanks a lot.